The diagram below shows top view of a vegetable garden. The perimeter of the vegetable garden is 8.9 meters. Now, note, this is why I always read everything. They said that this is the perimeter. Don't ever mistake it as a meter, as a distance. It's the total distance. It's not a distance, it's the total distance. So what is the perimeter? It's this total distance of this entire thing. They added it up. They said A plus B plus C plus E, and they got 8.9 meters. Now, explain what it means when a drawing is not drawn to scale. Write what your teacher told you or what you understand. So for me, if they say a drawing is not drawn to scale, it means that the drawing on the paper, I cannot use a ruler to get the actual distance. So it cannot be converted from the drawing using a ruler to actual distance because there's no scale that was used, right? It's not in proportion with the actual, right? So for example, this is actually a vegetable garden. So this drawing, the measurements on the plan do not correlate with these actual measurements that are given here. Calculate the length of C. Like I said, to calculate the length of C is going to be very easy in this case, in this question, because the total distance. So this is why you need to know what a perimeter is. If you don't know what a perimeter is, then we're going to struggle getting C because you need the perimeter. Remember, the perimeter would have been perimeter is equal to total distance, A plus B plus C plus D, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say 8.9 meters. Then I'm going to subtract everything. Subtract. Is it subtract or is it subtract? Minus 2.7 meters minus 1 meter minus 1.70 meters. So what I'm doing is I'm taking away everything that I have, and whatever the answer is, it will give me C, right? So C will be equal, the answer there is 3.5. So I'm going to show you, this would be, some people are going to do it like this because they're going to quickly see that they can use the perimeter and just minus and get the answer. Because it's 2 marks, you don't really have to follow you don't have to follow the formula. And they did not give us the formula. Had they given us the formula, you would have had to use the formula. So in this case, I'm going to say, I know that perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D, right? And then I'm going to substitute everything. So I have the perimeter. That's not the unknown. Let me identify the unknown. The unknown is C, right? So don't put anything there. And then I'm going to say 8.9 meters is equal to what? A, 1 meter, plus B, which is 2.7 meters, plus C, plus D, which is 1.70 meters. And 9 meters is equal to 5.4 meters plus C. Remember, C is still there. I've seen kids leave out the unknown once they've substituted. And then I'm just going to take 5 points to across the bridge, and it's going to change the sign. So 8.9 meters minus 5.4 meters is equal to C. You see how now 5.4 meters is this side, and it changed from positive to negative 3.5.